Hi, everybody. Welcome to our last day of remote learning. I hope you've had a good week. And today I'm just going to show you the apps that you have to work on so that you know what to do to complete your tech lesson for today. So when you get to your iPad, the first one you're going to go to is Google Classroom, and you want to get into your class. So you may have been in some other classes working on assignments for your other teachers. So you want to go up here to the house and then go ahead, and I got there by touching those three lines. And then you want to go ahead and take a look at the list of classes and find your Tech Mrs. Bachman. So I have mine right there. And there you should see right at the very beginning a message telling you to go to classwork. So let's click on classwork. And now you should see Friday's date. We have 3 circles to do. The first circle is our Zoom meeting, which we're in right now. So as soon as we're done with this meeting, you can come down here to the word assign, go ahead and hit mark as done, and hit mark as done again to turn in that assignment. Now remember, after you've done that, you're going to have to hit that gray arrow at the top and the black arrow in the corner to get back. The first app that we're going to play today is called Word Bingo. If I hit the red circle or red picture here, this is what Word Bingo looks like. Remember, this is Mozzarella the mouse. He lives in Paris, France, near the Eiffel Tower, and he is learning all sorts of words, and he's learning how to spell those words. So we're going to go ahead and click on the X, and you're going to help him with that. So all we're going to do is leave this like this. We're going to go ahead and hit our home button, and we're going to look for Mozzarella mouse, which he's right here on my iPad, and you'll go ahead and let it load. And this is pretty easy to get into. All you have to do is touch the red wagon. Now you want to make sure that you are on level 1. So if by chance you didn't see or you're not sure, just hit the all button up here, and you want to make sure you're at level 1. If that says another number like level 2, level 3, or level 4, all you have to do is just touch the square, and you can change, sorry, my arrow's in the way, change the box, and it'll automatically change the number. So you want it set for level 1, and we want it to be for all categories. And now what's happening is Mozzarella's walking along, and there are pictures floating by, and if you just touch a picture, you then are going to try to spell the word. The word is spelled out for the students up here, and then the boxes here have to be dragged to match the letter in the box. So I need to find the letter R, then the letter E, and the letter D. If I got it right, it's going to go through and read each of the letters to me, say the word to me, and then load the word into my wagon. That word gets added to my notebook so that I can see how many words I have learned. I can just hit the arrow to get back, and to learn some more words, I just tap on whatever object is floating by, and then it will go ahead and let me try to spell that word. All right. After you get 3 right in a row, you're going to earn a star, and that star you can touch to go and build a puzzle. And what you're doing is putting all the blue stars into their white spots to see the picture that you're going to make. So I'll do one more so that you can see how to do this. Now I will show you one thing. Some students like to just find the T and try to stick it in there. You have to go from left to right, one right after the other. So the T has to be the last one we put in. So once I get that loaded into my wagon, you're going to see a yellow star pop up here. That's going to allow me to play a game. So let's see, there's my confetti. I got 3 right in a row. So now I have a star. So if I touch the star, I now can build a puzzle by taking these blue stars and matching them to where all the white ones are. You're going to see that a picture will be formed once I am done. Almost there. Let's see what it makes. Maybe a horse? Oh, nope, an elephant. All right, so mozzarella is just floating around space. You get to look at your elephant, and then what you're going to do is hit this arrow down here at the corner to get back to mozzarella so you can learn some more words. You're going to play this app for around 10 minutes. When you're done, you're going to hit your home button, which is right here. You're going to go back to Google Classroom, and now you need to hit Assign and mark as done on your WordWagon assignment. When you're finished, you'll hit your gray arrow at the top, you'll hit your arrow on the black arrow in the corner, and now you only have one more app to do. The last one today is called Phonics Fun on the Farm. This one has you work with learning letters and also putting words together and identifying objects that begin with that word. So if I come down here and take a look, went too far there. Slide up, there's my picture. So you might have to slide up to be able to see the picture. And this is the app you need to look for. So I'm going to hit the X, and I'm going to go ahead and hit my home button. All right, looking for Phonics on the Farm. Again, once this loads, the first thing you're going to do is simply just touch the screen to get into the app. And you have to pick your avatar or your profile. We don't have these set up for the students right now, and it's okay. So the girls, you can pick Emma, and boys, you can click either boy. It doesn't matter. And once you're inside, you have to pick what level you're going to play. We did level 1 a while back, so the students are ready for level number 2 with the dog. There are 12 games to play. You're going to start with number 1 and keep playing all of the games. All they have to do is listen to the iPad to know what they have to do with each one. And you're going to have them work on this for 15 minutes. Now that is probably not enough time for them to get through all 12 activities, but I would like them to do as many as they can in that 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes is done, let's go ahead and hit their home button. And one last time, go to Google Classroom. Hit the assigned green button and hit mark as done, and mark as done again to turn in that assignment. Now when they are finished and they head back, all 3 of their circles, even though mine are purple, should be grayed out just like Monday's were. Alrighty? So I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you enjoy these apps, and I will see you next week.